To keep a machine running efficiently, regular maintenance is essential. In My Komatsu, machines coming up due or overdue for maintenance can be identified in the My Fleet page using the maintenance filter. Parts recommendations and maintenance details can be found in the machine's My Health area. With My Komatsu's recent alerting enhancements, you can now create upcoming maintenance alerts. The first step is to identify the machines from your fleet that you want monitored. Don't forget, with My Komatsu's all makes telematics capabilities, you can integrate, monitor, and create alerts for all the yellow iron in your fleet in one place. Once machines are identified, you'll need to determine the conditions to trigger your maintenance notifications. Conditions can be set using a Komatsu recommended service level or create your own custom service levels. You can also add parts lists to maintenance notifications by choosing from Saved Parts Lists, Manual Entry, or a My Komatsu quote. The next step is to determine your frequency. The frequency will determine how often you'll get notified when one of your conditions are triggered. My Komatsu offers email and text alert options, as well as web and mobile app notifications. A good proactive measure is to set maintenance reminders using the Komatsu recommended service levels at a daily or weekly frequency. This will help you keep track and plan for your equipment service schedule.